Uh, Hello, my name is Hassan Ali. I am an associate professor with the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department. Now I am at the Energy Conversion Lab, which is related to the Energy Conversion course. This is a 4 credit hour course and I am the instructor. Now about the lab, here you can see there is lab safety procedures. And these two tags are also posted on the other side of the door. And next, I would like to show the fire extinguisher. This is the fire extinguisher, and here is the inspection tag of the fire extinguisher. And also here is the emergency shut-off button for this lab. Now I like to show the first aid kit. We have a variety of first aid kit box. Let me open it. So you see, we have here like ice packs, bandage, gloves, trauma pads, eye dressings, triple antibiotic, and antiseptic wipes. Also here you can see various emergency action plans with signage like signage for fire, earthquake, active threat, and tornado. Now I like to show that in the lab we have the safety glasses. These are the wearing glasses that students use during experiment. And also these days, since COVID is going on, so here are hand sanitizer, sanitizing wipes, and the hand gloves. So in this lab, we conduct 10 experiments. So here we have one of the machine, which is called Universal Laboratory Machine. This is called universal because we can conduct both AC machines and DC machines experiment. For DC machines, we conduct experiments on DC motors, DC generators. For AC machines, we conduct experiments on induction machines and synchronous machines. And here you can see various control knobs like field rheostat control, then universal machine field rheostat control, and then wound rotor rheostat control. Also in this side, you can see that magnetic field, especially the DC field, to energize those machines. Okay, now I would like to show the variable speed drive. This is the variable speed drive machine, which is used to control the speed of the three-phase wound rotor induction machine. So this means that we connect this device with the three-phase wound rotor induction machines to control the speed. So we have the connection jacks and then we make connection here. Okay, now I like to explain about the transformer. So we conduct two experiments based on this transformer. So one is a transformer open circuit test and short circuit test, and other is the verification of the three-phase power systems or three-phase circuits. And this is that variable AC transformer, which is connected here as the input to the transformer. Okay, now I would like to show some of our new machines. These machines are called the Labboard series machines. last few years, we are updating the energy conversion lab. The plan is to gradually modernize the lab and replace with those old machines. So here we have DC motor generator set. This one is the synchronous motor generator set, and this one is the lab volt power supply. And here it is 4-quadrant dynamometer or power supply. And this is the resistive load. The main benefit here is that these machines are portable. So easily we can move from here to other station. And if I compare with those old machines, that is universal lab machines, we cannot move there. But these are portable and easily movable. These are modular. And students can clearly see from here through the glass that the rotor is moving. Even they can see the construction of the rotor and stator. In addition to this, also recently we have purchased 4-pole squirrel cage induction motor. And also we have inductive load, capacitive load, data acquisition and control interface, and other accessories. And also department is planning to purchase much more of these sets to fully modernize the lab. So hopefully in few years all of the old machines will be replaced with these updated machines. Okay, also for the lab, first few years back, we purchased 2 new equipment. One is called Smart Grid Electrical Generation Trainer, which is used to know the characteristics of 3-phase synchronous machine. Also, it is used to understand how the 2 generators can be connected in parallel, that is how it can be synchronized. So at the bottom we have the inductions machine, which are as the prime mover or as the turbine for the synchronous machine. And also here we have another new machine which is called Smart Grid Solar Photovoltaic and Wind Turbine Trainer. This means that by using this latest equipment, we can conduct 2 experiments. One about the solar photovoltaic power generation, and other one is the wind power generation. Now because this is located inside, this means this is indoor equipment. That's why we use on induction machine, which represents the wind turbine or the wind blades. And also here we have the variable DC for the solar power system, which represents the solar irradiance variation and temperature variation. And also we can make a combination from here to there so that it form a integrated power network consisting of synchronous machine and solar and wind turbine system. Now in addition to utilizing these 2 equipment for the energy conversion course, also I demonstrate these 2 machines for the other undergraduate elective course, which is Modern Grid with Renewables. That's why these 2 machines have been very useful and effective for both the energy conversion and modern grid with renewable courses.